Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm going to put it in another bag. Let's open this package. Okay. So it is a August smart lock. Not for individual resale. No. The demo unit. Okay, let's go around the box. Secure code-based home entry for your August smart lock. Control access. Easy to install. Built for August smart locks. Unlock your door without keys or a phone. So I plan to do Airbnb, so this is perfect. This is the dimensions, 2.9 inch to 1 inch. Requires an August smart lock, August app, iOS or Android. Comes with a keypad, 2 AAA, 2 screws, 2 wall anchors, and double-sided tape. Installs on the outside of your home on surfaces including wood, stucco, and brick. Top, this product can expose you to chemicals including lead. Alright, here we go. Here's welcome to August. We have the app, both in English, Spanish. Additional resources can be found on their website. How to install it, or how to set it up with your August lock. All right. Here's the keypad itself. Right into my hand. That's how small it is. 2.9, 1 inch. Comes with an unused pad. That's good. Some screws and some anchors. Let's see. Inside, I believe there's batteries. Yes, there's batteries, but it doesn't have a tab to prevent it from being in use. So these might be old. But yeah, that is it. That is what you get with the August Smart Keypad. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.